Councillor for Southborough Division in East Central St. Catherine, Ainsley Parkins was reportedly shot 15 times by his attacker in an area of the division known as 20 Cent. Councillor Parkins was reportedly in the area overseeing the completion of a summer project. His attacker reportedly dressed as a casual worker and was allegedly seen at the site hours before the killing, mowing the lawn. A 40-year-old man is on the run after his 56-year-old sister was found dead at home at Whitewater Meadows in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Thursday morning. The deceased, Nicola Ogilvy, an animal groomer, was found dead by her relatives who visited her at home, the police said. It was reported that around 11 p.m. on Wednesday, Ogilvy, who resides with her brother, was home when a dispute developed between the two. Police said during the dispute, a blunt instrument was used to hit Ogilvy on both sides of the head. Around 11 a.m. on Thursday, family members visited the home and found Ogilvy dead inside her bedroom, on her bed in a pool of blood, and summoned the police. Upon arrival, police saw the deceased lying on her side, clad in a black merino, blue shorts, and a pair of brown slippers with her head bashed in. The scene was processed and Ogilvy taken to the Spanish Town Hospital where she was pronounced dead. The body was later transported to the morgue pending post-mortem. The police have since launched a manhunt for Ogilvy's brother. The St. James police have arrested two men who were allegedly caught with a stolen motor car in Belgrade Avenue in Greenwood, St. James on Tuesday. They say about 12:50 p.m. a man discovered that his motor car was stolen from his home and alerted the police. Assisted by a tracking device that was affixed to the motor car, the police team was led to an area in Greenwood in the parish where the stolen car was seen. On the arrival of the police, 3 men were seen with several car parts and car accessories belonging to another vehicle which was at the location. On seeing the police, one of the men ran, while 2 of them were arrested and taken into custody.